Superintendent of Police ke East Giant Hills Khliehriat upentip bahaga khatnyo trik nailar kila yo jingtip lingba wahesh nong ka Khliehriat East halor ka jinglap jong ki nongshong shnong yakwe ka metiap balapon kabaper hakwe na ki thlio bala shui no hajan Indian Petrol Pump Khliehriat East hadien kani ki pulit hapo ka jinglam jong ASR lakyang kila 1 poi shakani ka jaka ban pelong ya ka jingto kin bat hadien la seino ya kani ka metiap nakatika thlio bala pendap ya baro ki jingdon kam ha ka jingya don lang kinong sakhi ya kani ka metiap la penken re no shapo Khliehriat Civil Hospital nakabenta ban le ya ka postmortem kinang ban lap ya ka daw jong ka jingyam habato kit benya na kinong shong shnong shom na dan ki bala ban ithu ne bandan jingtep hakabaya day bat kani ka metyam.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shriya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.